Welcome. I'm from the LENOVO Tab P11, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this tablet. And to get started, you'll want to open up the contents that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using a home screen for this, just as an example. So once you have it open and visible on the screen, all you need to do is press power key and volume down at the same time. So power and volume down right here, both of them at the same time. Just click on them, and as you can see, it does give you this option right here. This will be visible only for like a couple of seconds, at which point it will disappear. Now additionally, there is a scrollable functionality for screenshots right here, which allows you to capture more of your content that isn't visible on the screen. So if you can scroll it up or down, you can actually capture a longer version of a photo. So I'm going to quickly show you that, assuming I can do it through settings. And I can. So as you can see, settings, I can scroll up and down. So from here, there we go, capture, and then can tap on the scrollable one. As you can see, it starts scrolling. Now this is a little bit less fun. Basically tap on it to stop it from scrolling down. So you need to basically wait for it to scroll if you want to go lower. And here, as you can see, you cannot scroll down if it's not at the place that you want it. So you would either have to delete it and retry it again, or if you already captured as much as you want, then simply save it by tapping right here, which I believe this is more of a download. But anyway, now one thing that I would recommend you, if you want to be more precise with it, capture more of a screen, and once you capture more, you can actually crop it down to suit you or your need. As you can see, now it's cropped, and yeah. So anyway, let's save it, and from here you can find both of the screenshots in our photo gallery application. And if it's not visible right here at the very in your entire gallery right here, then what you can do is go to the library, and in here you should have a screenshots folder. And there we go, there are the two screenshots that I have captured. So this is the scrollable one, and then there is the normal one. And that is how you'd capture a screenshot on this device. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.